Imagine a camera that gives you the legendary style of the X100 series, but actually lets you change your lenses. For years, Fujifilm fans have been begging for a portable rangefinder that doesn't compromise on power, and the wait is finally over. The Fujifilm X-E5 has officially arrived, and it is a massive leap forward that changes everything we thought we knew about the E-series. This isn't just a minor refresh. It is a total uplift that brings professional-grade internals into a body that fits in your jacket pocket. The story of the XE line is a bit of a roller coaster. The early models were premium, high-end tools, but then the XE3 and X-E4 shifted toward being more budget-friendly and entry-level. With the X-E5, Fujifilm is returning to its roots. This is once again a premium machine. It features a sleek, flat-top design with the viewfinder tucked into the top left corner. This rangefinder style isn't just for looks. It's incredibly practical. When you hold it to your eye, your nose doesn't smudge the back screen, and you don't accidentally trigger touch functions with your face. It feels intimate, unobtrusive, and perfect for street photography. Inside the viewfinder, Fujifilm has done something nostalgic and brilliant. While it uses a crisp 2.36 million EVF, the interface has been overhauled. The exposure data at the bottom looks like a red LED alarm clock from the 1980s. Even cooler is the match needle exposure compensation system. It's a throwback to 1970s film cameras, making the act of balancing your light feel like a tactile, vintage experience. The back screen is equally impressive. It sits perfectly flush with the body to keep that slim profile, but it flips out for waist-level shooting or vertical selfies. One of the biggest upgrades is the new film simulation dial on the top plate. Fujifilm is famous for its colors, and now you have a physical way to click through them. You have hard-coded classics like Acros, Velvia, and Classic Chrome, but you also get 3 custom slots. These slots are a game changer because you can save your own recipes. You can adjust grain, white balance, and highlight tones to create a look that is uniquely yours, then access it with a simple flick of the wrist. It makes the camera feel less like a computer and more like a creative tool. Under the hood, this camera is essentially a mini X-T50. It packs the powerhouse 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, giving you incredible detail that allows for heavy cropping. Even more impressive is that Fujifilm managed to squeeze in-body image stabilization, IBIS, into this tiny frame. This means you can take sharp photos at slow shutter speeds, even if your lens doesn't have stabilization. For performance, you get a solid 8 frames per second with a mechanical shutter. The autofocus is snappy and includes the latest AI subject detection for faces, eyes, and animals. Comparing this to the ultra-popular X100VI, the X-E5 actually makes a stronger case for itself. While the X100VI is stuck with one lens, the X-E5 gives you the freedom of the entire X-mount library. You can pair it with the new, tiny 23mm f/2.8 pancake lens to keep it pocketable, or throw in a portrait prime or a telephoto zoom when you need more reach. You lose the built-in ND filter and full weather sealing of the X100 series, but you gain a level of versatility that a fixed-lens camera simply can't match. For video, the X-E5 is a capable backup, but clearly focuses on photography first. You can shoot 4K and even 6.2K video, though there's a bit of a crop and some rolling shutter to watch out for. It's perfect for capturing high-quality social media clips or travel memories, but serious filmmakers would still likely lean toward the XS series. However, for the hybrid shooter who wants a stylish daily carry, the video quality is more than enough to get the job done beautifully. In my opinion, the Fujifilm X-E5 is the most exciting camera in their current lineup. It hits the sweet spot of aesthetics, portability, and raw power. It's for the photographer who wants the cool factor of a vintage rangefinder without being locked into a single focal length. It's a premium tool that makes you want to go outside and take pictures. If you've been looking for one camera that can do it all while looking like a piece of art, this is it. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the latest tech.